You are going to love the 2020 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.